welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to set up the car. So let me show you. So basically the neighbor car is a little bit different than setting up a normal car, or normal key. And what I mean by that is if you want to do something like, you know, that's locked, and you want to unlock with a key, like that, it's a little different than how you normally do with a normal car. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So it's pretty easy. First what you want to do is you want to go down to the content browser, type in car, grab the car key, drag that up, and you want to grab BP underscore car underscore neighbor, drag that in. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And then what you want to do is over here under default, key class, none, BP key card, and there you go, that's it. And if you click play, can run over real quick. And as you can see, it's locked. You grab the car key, unlock it, and it opens. So there you go. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, and yeah. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to open up that mod kit and start modding. See you next time. Bye!